In this video, I'm going to show you the new XL cartridge filters, and these are an aftermarket cartridge filter for the popular filter brands Pentair, Jandy, and Hayward. And these cartridge filters are made here in the United States, and you can easily recognize the XL filter replacement cartridges by their easily recognizable black end caps. These end caps are extremely strong and durable. And these cartridges feature the CLEANGUARD ultra efficient media, and this media is designed for the best filtration. Also, it offers the optimal flow dynamics to reduce energy consumption. The open flow engineered core will also offer optimal flow dynamics. This will also reduce energy consumption and improve debris removal from the pool. And the extreme strength also prevents these filters from collapsing. And these cartridges also feature snug and secure bands. This keeps the pleats open, allowing you to have the maximum square footage at all times. And this will also ensure a long life for the cartridges. Here's a set of the XL cartridges for a Pentair 320 square foot Clean and Clear Plus. You can see that these old cartridges are definitely worn out. They're a little bit over 3 years old. And this pool also has dogs that swim in it. So you would simply remove your old cartridges from the filter, and then you would put the XL cartridges inside. And one thing I like about the XL cartridges is that they fit the bottom manifold of your cartridge filter really tight. This will ensure that the cartridges aren't going to move or shift or come loose inside the filter while it's operating. And these cartridges are made for many popular filters out there. Just check their website to see which cartridge is made for your filter. Pool Service Pro. Open a Leslie's wholesale account today and receive wholesale pricing on products you use every day. Leslie's Pool Supply offers convenient locations that are open 7 days a week. Another great benefit of opening a Leslie's wholesale account is Leslie's referral program. Get referred to a customer looking for weekly pool service. Save time and money and grow your pool service route and become a Leslie's Pro.